Loops in coding. Have you ever done something again and again, like clapping to the beat of a song or brushing your teeth every morning? That's a loop. And guess what? Computers love loops too. Today we are going to learn all about loops in coding and why they are so useful. A loop in coding is a set of instructions that repeats again and again. Instead of telling the computer to do the same thing many times, you tell it once and use a loop to repeat it. For example, you want your character in a game to jump 10 times. You don't need to write jump 10 times. You just say repeat jump 10 times. That's a loop. One command, many actions. Loops are part of everyday life. Here are a few real-world examples. Brushing your teeth. You brush up, down, left, right, and repeat. Washing socks. You put them in, wash, rinse, spin, and it starts again. Traffic lights. Red, yellow, green, and then back to red. Dancing to music. You repeat the same dance steps in a loop. See, loops are everywhere, at home, in nature, and especially in how computers think. Imagine writing the same instruction over and over. That's hard work and easy to mess up. Loops help us repeat tasks, write shorter code, avoid mistakes, and make programs run faster. Let's say you want your sprite in Scratch to flap its wings 20 times. Without loops, you'd have to repeat the code 20 times. That's like doing homework without using a calculator. Hard work. In Scratch and other block-based coding, we use different kinds of loops. Repeat. Do an action a certain number of times. For example, repeat 10 times. A forever loop. Keep doing something until the program stops. A repeat until. You keep repeating until something happens. Each kind of loop is like a different kind of helper. One counts, one goes forever, and the one stops when the job is done. In robotics, loops tell robots to repeat actions, like turning, moving, or beeping. Instead of pressing a button each time, we give the robot a loop, and it just keeps going until it finishes the job. That's why loops are so important. They help us code things that move, talk, and play again and again, just the way we want. Let's quickly recap. A loop tells the computer to repeat instructions. We use loops to make code shorter and smarter. Loops help in games, programs, and even real-life robots. You see loops in real life, like brushing your teeth, dancing, and traffic lights. So next time you're brushing your teeth or doing the same thing over and over, just think, hey, that's a loop.